Bye. Hey everyone, it's Mr. Chase again. I'm just giving you the Quartile's last page of questions and answers. Thought it'd be good that you went over that by yourself first. Make sure you've done the notes first and tried these yourself. And then, of course, you can watch along and see how I did it. Hopefully your answers matched mine, okay? So for the fluency questions, number one, for each data set below, find the first and the third quartiles and find the interquartile range, which is calculated using Q3 minus Q1. Label each statistic that you find, okay? So I'm going to make sure for each of these that I get a Q1, a Q3, and then I'm going to find the interquartile range, or IQR, for each of them, right? So IQR, let's get into it, right? First, I need to find the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's nine values in this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be the middle one. So that 22. Okay, so I'm not going to use that 22. Now I'm going to try to find the lower quartile. So 1, 2, 3, there's 4 values. I need to find the one that's in the middle. Okay, so what's in between 11 and 15? Well, I could average them and divide, or I could figure out that they're 4 numbers apart. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so the first quartile is going to be 13. All right, that's directly in between 11 and 15. The upper half, okay, if I can click off that box for a second, if it lets me, there it is, okay. Let's see, well, we have the top 4, and it looks like it's going to fall right between 25 and 27, which is 26, okay. So Q1, Q3, Q2, or the median, and the interquartile range is 26 minus the 13. Interquartile range is 13. Okay, so 3 answers there. Hopefully that's how you did it. Let's look at letter B. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. Okay, so that makes it a little different than the last one. Okay, 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right in between 41 and 48. If I needed to find quartile 2 or the median, I'd average those 2 numbers. Now, the lower quartile, or quartile 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it's the middle of that set of numbers. It's going to be 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be the middle of that set, which is 55. Okay. Our interquartile range, or how far apart are those? 55 minus 34 is 21. Our interquartile range is 21. Okay, getting the hang of it? Okay. One more set here. It's our biggest one yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's in between there. Okay. I have 8 on the bottom, 8 on the top. Right. I'm going to find my Q1. And let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, of course. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it happens to be between 19 and 19. That means it's 19. Thank you. That's quite easy. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's in between 32 and a 35. What's halfway between those? 33.5. Now, IQR, interquartile range, right? I'm going to use my calculator for this one just in case. 33.5 minus 19, the interquartile range is 14.5. Okay? Take a look at those. Tell me what you think, right? Take a look. Hopefully your answers match mine. Number 2, which of the following is the third quartile value for the data set? Okay, so let's just do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And between the 6s and the 6s, yep, it's going to be 85 and 86. So I know that's probably not going to, 86 is probably not going to be the third quartile. The first quartile would be down here on the bottom, so we don't need to know the lower one. I'm looking here in this upper one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So split those in half. What's average between 88 and 92? Okay, 88 plus 92 divided by 2, or what's directly between them? It's the number 90. okay? 98 was probably too big, and 86 was probably going to be too small. It's probably up between number 2 and number 3, so 90 it is because we just did that math. Number 3, which of the following is the interquartile range, Q3 minus Q1, of the data set? Let's break it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not using the 19 then, okay? 19 is the median. Don't use that. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's in between 14 and 16? That's going to be 15 for Q1. 1, 2, 3, 4. In between 23 and 25 is 24 exactly, okay? 24 minus 15 is 9. Interquartile range, I'm going with number 1. So that was number 1, that was number 2, and you had 3 different answers for each of the ones above. Okay? Good. Okay, 3 down, 3 to go. Yep. Okay, the number of seconds it takes for 17 runners to finish a 400-yard dash are shown below. So how many numbers are there? There's 17 of them, okay? What is the median? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 68 seconds should be the number in the middle. I'm going to label it with S, 68 seconds. What is the range? Okay, no, so not IQR, but just the range. 95 minus 54, okay, right? Biggest minus the smallest, 95 minus 54. That's what I was thinking. It's 41. The range is 41 seconds. Find the first and third quartile values and the interquartile range. So 3 things, Q1, Q3, and Q3 minus Q1. Should be always Q3 minus Q1 because Q3 should be bigger, okay? So there's that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I split that in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's in between 58 and 60? Yep, 59. Hopefully that's what you got. Top half, let's see, Q3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still, just double checking. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. What's directly between 75 and 79? That's got to be a 77. Okay? 77 minus 59, going for my IQR of 18. Okay? What do you think, guys? I hope so. I hope this is good. This isn't too much math other than counting, dividing into 2s. Okay, not a big deal. Is the range greater or less than twice the interquartile range? Okay, 2 times 18 is 36. Okay, so is the range greater than or less than 2 times the interquartile range? It is greater. It is greater. Because 41 is greater than 36, right? Twice the IQR. Twice the IQR is only 36, and our real range is 41. Okay? All right, number 5. 22 students, so I know how many could be on here. 22 students complete a spelling bee where each student attempts to see how many words on a 100-word list they can spell. Okay? Wow, 91 words out of 100. That's great. As the results are shown below. Find the first and third quartile and the interquartile range. Q1, Q3, Q3 minus Q1. Hopefully you're getting used to this, okay? 22 students, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, and 11. Okay, that just tells us Q2, right? It would have been 58. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 39 is Q1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 73 is Q3. 73 minus 39, the interquartile range is 34. Okay, see how easy that is now? Right? Hopefully that maybe even you paused the video after you saw me do the first couple and you're like, oh, that's how you do it? Hopefully you did, right? Okay, so that you're doing a couple of these independently, getting better at it on your own, right? Last question. Let's see what it says. Reviewing your math. To the nearest whole percent, how many of the students in number 5, okay, so how many students from above, Gonna need to be able to see that. Spelled more words correctly than the third quartile value. Okay, so let's see. So here's the third quartile value. Okay, so how many students spelled more than that? So 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 5 people that scored greater than that. Okay, out of 22. Remember? Oh yeah, out of 22, right? No need to count all these numbers. They said there was 22 kids that competed in the spelling bee. So 22, that equals x out of 100. Okay, 500 is equal to 22x. Divide both sides by 22. 500 divided by 22 is 22.7 to the nearest whole percent. So I'm going to go with x equals 23% got greater than the third quartile. Okay? Sound good? I sure hope so. All right? That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you're keeping up with all the math that we're working on here at home. All right? Don't forget to just do some of the Khan Academy, all right? And take those practice quizzes until you get 100, all right? If you need more opportunities to take them, just talk to me on Schoology. Okay? Bye, guys.